Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen.
I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Today we're here and Making It Count, showing you a family favorite recipe. It's spaghetti squash stuffed with quinoa and spinach.
Yummy. Let's get started with the benefits of this meal, beginning with quinoa. The fiber in quinoa is outstanding. It helps with your cholesterol, it can lower your blood sugar levels, oh my goodness, and it can help lower your risk with diabetes and heart disease.
Quinoa is also rich in antioxidants, which can prevent damage to the heart and other organs. So a diet that's high in antioxidants has been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease.
We need that. We love that. The benefits of spaghetti squash are now, those are just extremely outstanding. Let me tell you, spaghetti squash contains beta carotene, which is an antioxidant, get this, that will help prevent your cells from getting damaged that may lead to other cancers.
That's great.
Oh my goodness, yes. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 400. From there, we're going to cut our spaghetti squash in half lengthwise, okay? From there, we are going to scrape out our seeds. Now this may take a while, okay? From there, you're going to either brush or spray a cooking oil of your choice, okay? Now after this, we're going to add in our salt, pepper, cayenne, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder. From here, you're going to take your squash and you're going to have it face down, like so. You're going to place it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes, and you want to make sure that it is fork tender, okay? So here we go.
Smells great. Let's move on to our quinoa. So in a medium-sized pot, we're going to add 2 cups of broth and 1 cup of quinoa. This is over medium heat, and we'll cook this until all of the broth is absorbed. Black beans are part of this recipe, and it's because they're considered the nutritional powerhouses because they're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants. And antioxidants are important because they help with the management of blood pressure, blood glucose, and cholesterol levels. So let's go ahead and put this baby together.
Mix it up here.
So we're going to add our black beans to our quinoa and a little bit of salt, and then we'll add our cayenne pepper. Now we'll add the salsa, and then we'll add the cooked spinach.
Once the spaghetti squash is done, we're going to switch our oven over to broil, okay? From there, we're going to take each half that we went ahead and placed in the oven. We're going to flip each one over, like so, here, okay? We're going to stuff each one with our filling here. We're going to pop it into our broiler for another 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Now it's my favorite. Oh my goodness, let's top with some more toppings. First, we're going to use our TVP, which is our texturized vegetable protein.
Excellent.
Which is a plant-based protein at that. Now, we're going to use some tomatoes.
Now with all these toppings, the theme is you're still staying on the healthy track. And that's what this recipe is all about.
It really is. And having fun. And having fun, you can't go wrong with
Right.
it. You can't go wrong. We're going to take a little salsa.
Okay.
Now, a little bit more of what?
Cheese, please.
We're going to add some delicious avocado as well, okay?
Okay.
We're going to take a little piece. Love it. Just kind of plant it right there. And a little right there.
It's fantastic. And lastly,
Oh, cilantro.
incredible.
Can't go wrong with that. Look at how amazing these things look here.
All right. Well,
There you have it. More delicious and nutritious recipes from the BariGirls.
and when you try this at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.